Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to add a custom pixel in the Delta Pixel 2.0 app. Step 1. Open Customer Events in Store Settings. In your Shopify admin, go to Store Settings and click on Customer Events. Step 2. Add a custom pixel. Click on Add Custom Pixel. Enter a name for your pixel and click Add Pixel. Step 3. Copy and paste the tracking code. First, open the Delta Pixel app in your Shopify admin. Go to Settings and scroll down to the Custom Pixel section. Now, copy the code provided by Delta Pixel. Go back to the pixel you just created in Shopify and paste the code into the pixel's code box. Click Save to store your changes. Step 4. Connect the pixel in Delta Pixel 2.0. Click on the Connect button for your custom pixel. Step 5. Verify pixel connection. Once connected, check the status. If it shows connected, your custom pixel setup is complete and ready to track client-side events. And that's it. You've successfully added and connected a custom pixel in Delta Pixel 2.0. All the steps are already mentioned in Delta Pixel settings. For your convenience, you can also follow them. Thanks for watching.